Additive manufacturing capabilities continue to advance, and as they do, the window of application continues to expand. Example, what kinds of parts make sense for binder jetting? Pete Zelinski, Additive Manufacturing Media. I'm at the Formnext show in Frankfurt, Germany. I'm in Colibrium Additive's booth. Colibrium Additive has been working to advance the strength of the binder used in binder jetting and has also introduced a high volume production binder jetting system aimed at bringing the unit cost of binder jet parts down. So the result is some new possibilities open up for the types of components that make sense for production through this mode of 3D printing. Here's an example, this knee implant. A little bit of geometric complexity, not super geometrically complex, which is where binder jetting makes sense. It's not the very best for the most geometric intricacy, but a part like this, previously made additively, might need to be made through, say, electron beam melting. Making it through binder jet, by comparison, can deliver a much lower cost per part. It's not just medical applications that open up. Pump manufacturing. This is a component that would previously have been thought very large and very bulky to make sense for binder jetting, but a component like this could now cost effectively be 3D printed through binder jetting as a replacement for casting. Undoubtedly, many pump manufacturers don't realize they're making components that are additive manufacturing candidates. Binder jetting could also be used to take a part that is bulky, heavy, and make it less so. This manifold, large-ish manifold, would be a much heavier part if it was made conventionally, say by machining holes in a block. But by designing it to subtract mass, taking advantage of additive manufacturing, it's possible to take a part that is difficult to handle, maybe might need two hands to carry, and make it much more manageable. If you are new to binder jetting, like pump manufacturer for example, we've got a great intro to binder jetting video. Find a link in the show description.